Have you ever felt like your digestive system is a well-oiled machine running smoothly, or maybe you've experienced some bumps along the way? Well, today we're diving into a topic that's essential for your overall well-being, colon health. And we'll explore a surprising aspect of maintaining a clean colon without resorting to extreme measures. Stay tuned, because we're about to embark on a journey that will leave you feeling lighter, energized, and ready to take on the world, starting from within. Have you been feeling bloated, tired, or sluggish lately? It might not be stress or lack of sleep. It could be something much deeper. Literally, your colon might be overloaded. Your colon plays a critical role in digestion. It is your body's natural waste system, filtering out toxins and moving waste out of your body. But when your colon is backed up, everything else slows down. Your energy, your metabolism, your mood, and even your immune system. The good news? You don't need a harsh detox, a juice cleanse, or expensive supplements. Nature already gave us what we need: real food. In this video, we're breaking down 7 powerful science-backed foods that naturally cleanse your colon, foods that help you feel lighter, more energized, and more alive, starting from your gut. Let's dive in. First up, we have leafy greens. We're talking spinach, kale, romaine, collard greens, arugula, any deep green leaf packed with fiber and nutrients. Leafy greens are high in magnesium, a mineral that helps your colon contract and push waste through your intestines. They're also rich in chlorophyll, which acts like a natural deodorizer for your gut, neutralizing toxins and aiding detoxification. The fiber content in greens helps bulk up your stool, making it easier to eliminate waste consistently and comfortably. And here's a bonus. Greens also support your liver, which works hand in hand with your colon to filter toxins from the body. Whether you sauté them, blend them into a smoothie, or toss them in a salad, leafy greens are a daily must-have for colon health. Next on our list are the tiny powerhouses, chia seeds. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to cleansing your digestive system. These seeds are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber. When you soak chia seeds in water, they form a gel-like coating that moves through your colon, collecting waste and pushing it out. It acts almost like a scrub brush for your intestines, gently but effectively cleaning things out. They're also prebiotic, meaning they feed your good gut bacteria. That's key for keeping your microbiome balanced and your digestion strong. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a smoothie, yogurt, or overnight oats can help keep your colon moving the way it should. Now let's talk about apples. There is a reason the phrase, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," is still around. Apples contain a type of soluble fiber called pectin. Pectin binds to toxins, cholesterol, and even heavy metals, helping your body eliminate them safely and naturally. Apples also promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria, which support regular digestion and reduce inflammation in the colon lining. Red or green, raw or stewed, apples are easy to add to your diet and powerful for your gut. And if raw apples are too harsh on your stomach, try unsweetened applesauce. It delivers similar benefits in a gentler form. Have you ever thought of drinking lemon water? Drinking lemon water in the morning can help reset your entire digestive system. Lemons stimulate bile production in the liver, which supports the breakdown of food and proper elimination of waste. They also hydrate the colon and provide vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and fight free radicals. Drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach can gently wake up your digestive tract and encourage it to move. Let's discuss ginger, a true superstar when it comes to digestion. It stimulates digestive enzymes, reduces bloating, fights nausea, and improves nutrient absorption. But it also promotes colon health by speeding up the movement of food and waste through your system. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritation in the gut lining and reduce symptoms of IBS and gas. It's especially helpful for people who suffer from slow digestion or constipation. Grate fresh ginger into your tea, add it to soups, smoothies, or salad dressings. A little bit every day can go a long way towards supporting a clean, active colon. Now let's explore a rather unconventional yet effective addition to our list, aloe vera juice. Yes, aloe vera, the same plant you use on sunburns, can also be a powerful internal cleanser. Aloe vera juice contains compounds that have natural laxative properties. It helps move stool through the colon more quickly and efficiently, especially for people dealing with chronic constipation. It also has soothing effects on the gut lining, helping to reduce irritation and promote healing. Just be sure to use purified, decolorized aloe vera juice that's safe for internal use. And always start with a small amount, around 1 to 2 ounces, so you don't overdo it. Too much can cause cramping or diarrhea, so moderation is key. Last but certainly not least, probiotic yogurt. Once you start cleaning out the colon, you need to repopulate it with the right bacteria. That's where probiotic-rich yogurt comes in. Probiotics help restore balance to your gut microbiome, support immune health, and improve digestion. They also play a role in reducing inflammation in the colon and preventing conditions like leaky gut and colitis. Look for yogurt that contains live and active cultures, like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, and make sure it's plain, unsweetened yogurt. Added sugars feed the bad bacteria and can cancel out the benefits. Top it with fruit, chia seeds, or flax seeds for an extra colon cleansing boost. Remember, a clean colon is the foundation of a vibrant, energetic you. Start small, be consistent, and nourish your body. And always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier, happier you. See you in the next one.